Hi, this is Jason Fritz, Product Manager at PlexusAV. We're at ISE 2026 in booth 5J700, and I'm showing the Visual Array IPMX management system, which is a very intuitive piece of software that allows us to do discovery and management, everything from channel changes, configurations. We can push firmware and very easily deploy systems, including automatically incrementing IP addresses and names. It's a very useful tool, not for just the deployment, but for managing and driving the content as well. You're seeing the visual array, which includes our transmit here on the top and our receive on the left, and we have the ability to do individual routes down to the individual audio or video channels, including making KVM USB routes. In our device list, you can see that we have all of the IPMX and NMOS enabled devices, including our new speaker lineup, which we have a couple examples here. Our ceiling mount. It has a 6.5-inch woofer and a 1-inch tweeter, and it does Dante IPMX with NMOS as well as AES67. And then we can completely drive the system from here. We've got grouping, tagging, making it very convenient for somebody to deploy and manage their IPMX. If you want to see more and get a full demonstration, come see us at the PlexusAV booth 5J700.